Hey, what's going on? This is Super Simple Fixes. Today we're going to be talking about a pair of hiking shoes that I bought from a company called Nortiv8. Never heard of them, but what's the best way to test these type of hiking shoes out? By dragging them through Alaska in a 7-day cruise. Stick around to the end to see how these shoes hold up. You can take a look for yourself. I actually wore these on the cruise, also through the excursions, through most of the walks. You can see that I've gone through the piers, different rocks, mud, different types of terrain. But I also wore them, when things were pretty easy, like on the deck of the cruise. Highly suggest that you walk carefully through slippery areas, even with these shoes. You saw how deep the grooves were on the bottom of the shoes. They were great, super grippy. I loved them. The only thing I will say about these shoes is that the fit, even though I wear 9.5, I changed them out and got 9s and they were still a little loose. I'm sure they would have been fine if I had my thick socks with me, but I didn't have them. Even still, I had no blisters. They were just slightly slipping off my feet, but it was just so minor that didn't seem to bother me at all. So the fit seems to be slightly off. They run a bit on the larger side. Okay, here we have the shoes after I've been through the Alaska cruise and excursions. I've used them in and out of the ship and the excursions. I actually wore them 98% of the time. So these shoes held up pretty well considering all the different things I threw on them. You can see that they've definitely been used. Overall, I recommend them. There are cons, as I mentioned, but for the price, they're definitely winners. But if you have any questions or comments, feel free to leave it on down below. Have a great day.